Conselsus,
Yeah.
Kipruto, what's your opinion about the race today? A difficult race born from the beginning, but you are happy after the race?
Yeah, I'm happy after the race. The race was so difficult. The race was so difficult, but we had a good race, the good weather. So I'm very proud of my position today. I was position 5, so I agree that position was good.
If you no problem with the travel, you hope to win.
I was so that a bit, but I tried my best until I was position 5. Even there is a time I came till forward, I pushed, assisted the guys, and then I pushed. The pace was so good.
Now El Goibar next Sunday.
Yeah, I'll go next Sunday, so I think I'll have a good recovery when I'll be in Norland, then travel to El Coiba, then I think El Coiba is good. Yeah.
Thank you very much and good luck for the season. Jafet Korir, live interview for organization, no problem. So, tell us about the race. Are you happy about the race?
Yes, I am happy because of the race due to my today's program. I'm happy with it.
You started quite slow, probably to recover from the last cross, okay?
Yeah.
And you try to win in the last lap because you close on Albert Trop quite good.
Yeah, because of the tiredness which I had, because I had a race before, so I was tired, but I'm happy because of that.
And now, what are the next goals of the season for Jafet Korir?
For now, I'm going back to Kenya, and then for the training, then maybe after 2 or 3 weeks, then back for the next race.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.